the nature. It was insane. Everybody, oh my god, it's such a good feeling. So it's gonna be good. People are gonna be happy. They have good emotions right now. So it's gonna be a fun morning. Hey guys, good morning. What's up? Today we're gonna be talking about this baby right here. It is a Canon f1.8 50mm. It is perfect for portraits, and especially if you're thinking right now what lens to get. We're in a beautiful location in the park, and we are going to be shooting with some people here, some strangers. We're going to be asking them if they would like us to take their portraits. There is a lot of people here as well. It's a Sunday morning and the park is booming. People are out and people are looking like they want photos. They have the camera faces. We have the GoPro as well on the backpack this morning, so we're going to go straight to the action cam. ¿Te gustaría una foto? ¿Puedo sacar? Vale. Stop. Mira, perfecto. Te paso si quieres, vale. Luego. Hey guys, what is up? So far, so good. This is actually Brad from the future speaking to you right now. So hi from the future, guys. I came here yesterday to finish the rest of my shooting and I forgot my battery, mate. Can you believe it? So I just have a quick shout out because I got a message from Mariano. Yeah, and I took a photo for him yesterday while he was playing the guitar. And I got really nice feedback. He said, I love your work, I love the photos. Can I pay you? So just a little quick message for you. Me alegro muchísimo. Gracias por contarme. Y ya nos pagaste con la música. So thanks, man. You already paid us with the music. Anyway, rolling, guys. Let's go back to President Brad now, and I'll see you here very soon. ¿Te gustaría una foto?
¿Una foto?
Sí, porque yo ahora hago un video para mi canal de YouTube.
¿Ah, sí? Vale.
Para hablar con extraños y para probar un objetivo.
Sí, por supuesto.
Muy bien. Mira, y si quieres quedar por aquí más mirando si las gráficas. Sí, y con la cara perfecto. ¿Y me miras aquí? Perfecto.
¿De dónde eres?
Nueva Zelanda.
¿De Islanda?
No, Nueva Zelanda.
Ay, ¿qué tal?
Bien. Ayer a las 6 por la mañana y todavía hay un montón de gente. Hola, perdón. ¿Te gustaría una foto? Sí. Básicamente.
Vale, yo voy a estudiar.
Sí, perfecto. Más natural es mejor. Muchas gracias. Adiós, chao. Chao, tú también. Доброе утро.
Привет.
Ты хочешь фото?
Нет.
Нет?
Я разговаривал по телефону. Тебе не надо снять ничего?
А?
Тебе не надо видео, фото?
Фото. Я сейчас хорошо. Мне хорошо, спасибо.
Откуда ты?
Новая Зеландия.
Новая Зеландия?
Да.
Почему ты говоришь по-русски?
Я изучаю.
Изучаешь русский?
Да.
А можно с тобой взять маленькое видео?
Да.
Класс. Это круто.
Что скажу?
Ничего, просто привет. Я из Новой Зеландии.
Как дела? Из Новой Зеландии.
Нормально, да, так? Из Новой Зеландии.
Да.
Почему ты говоришь по-русски?
У меня есть подруга, что говорит по-русски. Да, я был в Украине, в Киеве.
Класс, ребята,
тоже.
Он по-русски говорит лучше, чем я по-испански. Это очень круто. Вот чего только не встретишь, класс. Поэтому люблю этот город. It was nice to meet you.
You too, mate. Do you want a portrait? Basically what I'm doing is a video for YouTube to show that you can like talk with strangers and you can take portraits of them for people not to be shy.
Very nice.
And to try out a new lens.
Very nice, I'm ready.
And now can I get you looking straight into the lens? Think about your first day of freedom. Хорошо. And I got the last one and it said card full, look. Yo hago un video para YouTube para sacar fotos con extraños para hacer portraits. Si te gustaría una foto, es una buena pintura con
bueno.
y si quieres.
¿Tengo que mover o acá
No, 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 acá. Y si quieres, te puedo mandar después las fotos. ¿Dónde eres?
Argentina.
Y puedes mirar por aquí, sí. Qué bueno.
¿Vos de dónde sos?
Yo soy de Nueva Zelanda.
Ah, mira.
Si quieres, te paso las fotos o...
No,
¿está bien?
pero me gustaría, no sé qué, ver el proyecto, a lo mejor después. No sé
Ah,
fotos, pero lo que hagas.
Ahí está.
Muchos éxitos.
Sí, gracias. Oh, mira, este está bueno.
A verla.
El té
Ajá.
y la vista.
Sí, me gusta.
Muy bien.
Me gusta.
Que tengas un
Muy
buen
bien,
día.
Igual, adiós.
Adiós. Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Present Life, Present Brad. We're here. And I hope you guys enjoyed that little video testing out this baby here. It's a beautiful lens, super cheap as well. I'm gonna put the price right here in US dollars. This is how much it's going for. Great price for starting out, taking great photos. And I hope you guys like the challenge as well. For me, I wanted to do a video that was a bit educational because I know what it's like when you're looking for first lens, and I was searching everywhere when I first did as well, just to know how people take those portraits. But I also wanted to do a video talking to strangers, taking photos of strangers, and so we can get it in real life and you guys can see how it is, and something to push myself as well. Hopefully can give you guys some inspiration to do it as well. If you feel like you don't have the confidence, then feel like you have the confidence to do it, and you will be able to do it. Probably gonna make some new friends after. I only got rejected from one person, and I didn't put them in the video because they said they weren't comfortable being on the video. But it wasn't in a bad way or anything, but everybody else was super nice. So that's what's fun about it, and I'll probably keep on talking to these people as well and create more content. It's a win-win situation. Anyway guys, if you did like it, give it a big thumbs up so I know and I can create more content like this for you guys. If you have any questions about the lens, or you have any questions about going up and approaching people, anything like that, then just drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Hit the subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys, stay safe, and see you later.